What if one pair of heels could take you from the office to a wedding, from a casual lunch to an elegant evening party, all while keeping you comfortable? Sounds impossible. Well, that's exactly what core heels are designed to do. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are passionate about the elegant footwear and want shoes that combine comfort, simplicity and timeless fashion, then today's video is just for you. Today we are diving deep into the world of core heels. We will explore their designs, features, materials, colors, styling ideas, benefits, comfort level, maintenance tips, shopping advice and the latest fashion trends. So sit back, relax and let's discover why core heels are becoming a wardrobe essential for fashion lovers around the world. Understanding core heels. Fashion changes every season, but some styles remain timeless. Core heels represent the idea of owning footwear that serves as the foundation of your wardrobe. Instead of focusing on flashy details, these heels emphasize clean lines, neutral shades, and practical elegance. Their beauty lies in their simplicity. They don't need glitter, oversized bows, or heavy embellishments to make a statement. Instead, they rely on beautiful craftsmanship, balanced proportions, and effortless sophistication. This is why many fashion stylists recommend core heels as one of the first pair every woman should own. Design elements. Let's examine every part of a core heel. Most core heels feature a sturdy block heel which distributes body weight evenly. This makes walking much easier than wearing thin stilettos. Toe shape. You will find often square toes, rounded toes, open toes, soft almond toes. Each offer a slightly different look while maintaining comfort. Ankle strap. Many designs include an adjustable ankle strap that provides better stability, improved balance, extra confidence while walking. Footbed. The cushioned footbed supports your feet during long hours of wear and reduces pressure on the heel and ball of the foot. Material use. The material of a shoe determines its appearance, durability, and comfort. Core heels are available in genuine leather, elegant, durable, and breathable. Fox leather. Affordable, stylish, and easy to maintain. Suede. Soft texture with a luxurious appearance. Satin. Perfect for weddings and evening events. Pattern leather. A glossy finish that creates a polished, modern look. Fabric. Lightweight and ideal for warmer weather. Popular colors. Choosing the right colors makes stylish is much easier. Black, a classic that pairs with almost everything. Nude creates the illusion of longer legs. White, fresh, clean, and perfect for summers. Beige, elegant and versatile. Brown, ideal for earthy and neutral wardrobes. Metallic gold and silver, perfect for festive occasions and celebrations. Heels height. Core heels are available in several heights. Low heels 1 to 2 inches, ideal for beginners and daily wear. Medium heels 2 to 3 inches, offer the perfect balance of elegance and comfort. High heels 3 to 4 inches, suitable for parties and formal events. Extra high heels designed for special occasions and fashion forward looks. Styling core heels. One of the biggest strengths of core heels is versatility. Office style. Wear them with tailored trousers, fancy skirts, blazers, shirt dresses. Casual style. Pair them with straight leg jeans, wide leg jeans, linen trousers, and midi skirts. Wedding style. They look stunning with saris, lehengas, maxi dresses, evening gowns. Party style. Choose metallic or glossy core heels with cocktail dresses or jumpsuit for an elegant evening look. Seasonal fashions. Core heels can be worn throughout the year. Spring. Light pastel colors pair beautifully with floral dresses. Summer open toe care heels keep your feet cool while looking stylish. Autumn. Brown, tan, and beige shades complement seasonal outfits. Winter. Close toe core heels in black or dark brown pair perfectly with coats and knitwear. Comfort tips to stay comfortable. Choose the correct shoe size, break in new shoes gradually, use gel inserts if needed. Avoid standing continuously for many hours, stretch your feet after wearing heels. Common shopping mistake. Avoid these mistakes. Buying shoes and only because they look attractive, ignoring heel stability, choosing poor quality materials, buying shoes without trying the fit, selecting extremely high heels for everyday use. Fashion trends. Modern core heels are becoming more popular because today's fashion focuses on simplicity, neutral wardrobes, capsule fashion, comfortable luxury, sustainable shopping. Many women now prefer buying on a high quality pair of versatile heels instead of several trendy pairs they rarely wear. Why every woman should own core heels? Core heels are worth investing in the because they match almost every outfit, stay fashionable year after year, offer excellent comfort, work for both casual and formal occasions, help build a timeless wardrobe, boost confidence with elegant, understand style. Core heels prove that fashion does not need complicated. Their simple design, comfortable construction, and timeless appeal make them one of the smartest footwear choices for modern women. Whether you are building a capsule wardrobe, updating your office style, or searching for elegant shoes that can be worn again and again, core heels are a perfect investment. Whether you are dressing for work, a formal event, a casual outing, or a surprise celebration, core heels can effortlessly elevate your style while keeping you comfortable. If you enjoyed today's complete guide on core heels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tell us in the comments, would you choose black, nude, beige, or white core heels? Thank you so much for watching. Stay fashionable and stay confident.